Well, hello everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, in between the New York Hotel and Casino and the Park MGM Hotel and Casino. And that places us right at the beginning of the park, which is a outdoor kind of like venue park open space area here on the Las Vegas Strip. Lots of restaurants and lounges. A lot of them have been closed since COVID, and some of them have not yet opened up again. Hopefully they'll be opening up, and there's a couple of new places here as well. And this eventually leads you to the T-Mobile Arena out back. But while we're out front here, you can see the MGM Grand is right across the street, as well as the Hard Rock Cafe. And we're just going to take our time, do a little stroll, check out what's going on here at the park, and I hope you enjoy the walk. The park is one of the many places in Las Vegas that look totally different in the evening than it does during the daytime, and this is actually one of those places where I can truly say I like it better in the evening because of the lighting. The lighting's very moody and dramatic, kind of like me. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And here we have pretty much a glorified but permanent food truck here in the park, Hello Kitty Cafe. And speaking of Hello Kitty, a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Mickey Mouse in my latest video from Disney's Magic Kingdom, the Tom Sawyer Island video. Congratulations, Deborah. That beautiful round building, kind of like a miniature Madison Square Garden, used to be the Park Theater. It's now known as the Dolby Live Theater, home to lots of A-listers, most recently Lady Gaga. Speaking of Lady Gaga, I just found out that she's going to be touring in the near future with the Goo Goo Dolls, and the tour is going to be called Goo Goo Gaga. The last time I flew to Vegas, I watched on the airplane, you know, those in-airplane movies. It was A Star Is Born with Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. And from what I understand, they're going to do a remake now. It's an Icelandic remake, and they're going to call it A Star Is Bjorn. I actually met Lady Gaga backstage at one of her Vegas shows here, and she spent the night in my hotel room. I was quite happy, as you can imagine, but she wouldn't wake up in the morning. I actually had to poke her face. Sorry. Okay, I'll stop.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Straight ahead is the backside, if you will, of the New York Hotel and Casino, and you can see the coaster there. I've never actually ridden that coaster. I've often thought about it, but I've never actually done it. It has one of those loops, and Jeff from New York does not like being turned upside down. But in about 3 weeks, I'll be in town for a week, and maybe you guys can talk me into it. Leave a comment below. Vegas is, of course, home to the Las Vegas Knights and the hockey team. And the last time I was here, there was a game going on here at the T-Mobile Arena, and this park was mobbed. Actually, all the hotels and casinos in this area surrounding the park were mobbed with people wearing Golden Knight jerseys. The bars and the lounges and the restaurants, indoors and outdoors. So it's just a crazy atmosphere when the Knights are playing at home here at the park. This sculpture is called the Bliss, and I don't know why, but every time I walk past it, I can't help thinking Kim Kardashian, and seriously, I don't know why. And tonight, I couldn't help notice that the sculpture, the Bliss, several sections of the manufactured body, the lights are out, but it's good to know that when certain parts of the body are out, the others remain lit. Kind of like Kim Kardashian when you think about it.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
So the Park Vegas is a central spot for anyone staying at an MGM Resorts destination nearby, and with concert and sporting events at the T-Mobile Arena and the Dolby Live Theater, the Park Vegas becomes a great hangout spot before or after the big event. As I mentioned earlier in the video, there's a lot of restaurant changes going on here, some new places, and I will be in Vegas in a couple weeks and I want to check them all out, so stay tuned here to the New York channel. But while I was visiting here, some of the ones that were open were the Beer House, Sake Rock, Shake Shack, and Hello Kitty Cafe. I find it fascinating that people need to touch this water wall. I mean, it's beautiful, yes, but it's gross if you touch it. If you've been to Vegas, have you ever touched it? I've never touched it, and I never will. And if you have touched it, How are you feeling right now? Over the past couple of years, there's been a lot of controversy over the origin of COVID-19, and quite frankly, I think I have the answer, and it lies right here at this water wall.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. If you don't, we're going to arrest you. And molest you.
What was the Aardvark's favorite Lady Gaga song? Just Ants. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.